Google Ads price adjustment without relearning. Okay, one of my clients with a super small budget, $20 a day, is highly successful, but some days we run through spend too early. I like to up the budget slightly, but I don't want to kill what we have or enter relearning phase. Is it worth raising it to $22, then wait a few weeks and go to $24, or should I just leave it alone? We are at $0.5 CPC and $5 per conversion. So surprisingly, $20 a day has been working great for us. Yeah, it's very good because for the majority of the clients, it do not work well. So it's a very good ad. It's working well. Conversion is phone call or lead submission. So if you do not want to go into the relearning phase, you can increase up to 20% of the budget. Okay, and the campaign will not go into relearning, and the 20% of $10 is $2, and for the $20 you can go up to $24 without the campaign going into re-entering phase, and you can do it every 7 or 14 days. You can keep on adding your 20% more budget if you do not want your campaign to go into relearning phase. So what is, you can go to $24 a day, then wait for a week, then add more 20% of 24, and then wait for a week and then add more 20%. That is how your campaign will not go into the learning phase, rather it will benefit from the data you have so far gained, and that is how you can also increase your budgets if you want to. Yeah, I hope this answers your question query. And if anyone needs a professional help with Google Ads audit, setup or management, just to let you know that we are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company and we will love to help with you. So if you want to hire me and my team, our company name is arswebs.com, a Google Ads partner company, and the link of our company is mentioned in the description of this video. So if you want to hire us, you can hire us through the link in the description of this video. So yeah, I hope this answers your question query, and I look forward working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.